The CadMouse is equipped with a dedicated middle mouse button, which helps optimize your design process through increased comfort and effortless navigation. Pan without the need to press the mouse wheel, reducing the strain on your hand. Use the quick zoom buttons to effortlessly zoom in and out with a simple press of a thumb button. Inspect and adjust design details easily, zooming and centering them in a single click. Maximize efficiency by employing radial menus for quick access to NX commands, optimizing your workflow. Use the existing presets or create your own radial menus, assigning the commands or macros you need. Discover the CadMouse product range now.